Hello everyone, welcome you all in class 11 geography. This is chapter number 6 soils and this is module 3. In this module we are going to discuss about the second important soil, that is the black soil. As you know, in module number 2 we already discussed the different name of the soil and the major soil, that is the alluvial soil. Second important soil of India, that is the black soil. So as you can see, the color of the soil, that is the black, given in the picture. So let's discuss the black soil. First of all, we look the location or the area of the black soil. Black soil area are, as you can see in the map, black soil cover most of the Deccan Plateau with include part of Maharashtra. So as you can see that this entire area is a part, or we can say called as Deccan Plateau, and different state of this Deccan Plateau. So as you can see the part of Maharashtra. So this is the part of Maharashtra. This is Maharashtra. Then Madhya Pradesh, this is Madhya Pradesh, then Andhra Pradesh, this is Andhra Pradesh, and some part of Tamil Nadu also, and small part of Gujarat also. Means in these area there is a existence or a spread of black soil. As you know, the formation of black soil, why it is black, or because this soil is formed by the igneous rocks, and is this entire area a plateau region and formed by the igneous rocks, and after the different weathering and erosion there is a formation of a black soil in this area. Let's discuss the different characteristics of the black soil. In the upper reaches of the Godavari, means the river Godavari and Krishna, and the northwest part of Deccan Plateau, the black soil is very deep, because in these area there were a different volcanic activity in the ancient time. These soil are known as Regur or black cotton soil. The other name of black soil, that is the Regur soil. So this is also known as Regur soil. And why and the black cotton soil? Because as you know, you read this thing several times when you read the soils. Black soil is important for the cotton. That's why it's known as black cotton soil. The black soil are generally clay, deep and impermeable. Means the texture of the soil is clay and deep. So the molecule are very fine and very small and impermeable. So that's why those crop which require more water, they can easily grow in this black soil. Impermeable means water को नीचे की साइड परकुलेट नहीं होने देती, वाटर को एक लंबे टाइम तक होल्ड करके रखती हैं. They swell and become sticky. Black soil when swell and become sticky when it wet. यानी जब black soil गीली होती है तो ये swell होके थोड़ी sticky यानी चिपचिपी बन जाती है. And shrink when it dry. लेकिन जब ये सूखती है तो ये shrink होने लगती है. So during the dry season these soil develop wide cracks. So as you can see in the picture also, in the given picture there are a wide cracks you can see in this soil. So this is a black soil diagram. So when it become dry, यानी जब soil dry होती है उसमें water content कम होता है, तब उसमें बड़े बड़े cracks पड़ जाते हैं. On this behalf it called as a self cultivated soil. इन cracks की वजह से black soil को self cultivated soil भी कहते हैं. Next point, chemically the black soil are rich in lime, iron, magnesia and alumina. So these are the important mineral exist in the black soil: lime, iron, magnesia and alumina. They also contain potash, and some part of potash also exist in black soil, but they lack in phosphorus, nitrogen and organic matter, because as you know these soil formed by the igneous rocks, and igneous rocks formed by the volcanic eruption. जो वॉल्केनो है उसमें कोई ऑर्गेनिक मैटर नहीं होता है, लावा में कोई ऑर्गेनिक मैटर नहीं होता. सो दैट्स वाई दीज आर लैक बाय ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, यानी इन सॉइल में ऑर्गेनिक मैटर नहीं होता है. द कलर ऑफ द सॉइल रेंजेस फ्रॉम डीप ब्लैक टू ग्रे। इस सॉइल का कलर कहीं कहीं आपको डीप ग्रे मिलेगा और कहीं ब्लैक मिलेगा। एज यू कैन सी इन दीज टू पिक्चर, this is completely black color and this is somewhat of gray color. So you can see the color of the soil that can be from black deep to gray. Thank you.